Assalamualaikum. Hi kids. Today we are going to learn some question answer from the book The Enormous Turnip. Now I'm going to ask you some questions and you will try to answer. The first question is, who planted the turnip seeds? Very good. The old man planted the turnip seeds. Number 2. What did the old man want? Yes, super. The old man wanted to eat the enormous turnip. Number 3. What is the meaning of enormous? Absolutely right. Enormous means very big. Number 4. Why did the old man call the old woman? Yes, the old man called the old woman to pull the turnip. Super! Number 5. Who called the boy? Yes, you know the answer. The old woman called the boy. Now, number 6. Why did the boy call the girl? Excellent! The boy called the girl to pull the turnip. Now, number 7. Which animal helped them? Yes, can you see which animal is here? Yes, the dog helped them. Thank you so much for your patience. Tata, bye.